Hello everyone! So in today's video, I will show you how to create an Instagram account using smartphone or PC. Now, before we continue to the steps, we need to prepare tools and materials. There are two things you need to prepare. The first one is device. You can use your smartphone, PC, or laptop. But if you use your smartphone, you will need to make sure that it has Android or iOS as an operating system, because Instagram will work on those operating system only. Secondly, you will need to free up at least 2 gigabytes of your RAM so we can install the app and the app can work properly. After we prepare our device, we need to have a stable internet connection, whether you use Wi-Fi, hotspot, or mobile data. Please make sure it is stable so when we install the app on your phone or when you create the account, it will run smoothly and there's no error. I've prepared those tools and materials, but before we continue to the steps, I have a disclaimer. So Instagram is a 12 plus rated app. So if you're under 12, please don't use the app, because there are reasons why the app is rated as 12 plus. So you don't want bad things to happen. We must obey the rules. Now, we have prepared the tools and materials. We have made sure that we are above 12. Now, I will show you how to create an account first using PC and laptop. Now, the first thing you need to do is turn on and log into your device. I can't show you the process because I can't capture the screen when it's turning on and when it's logged in, but I'm sure most of you guys know how to do that. Now, after you log into your device, check your internet access. Make sure you have internet access. After that, open your browser. Here I'm using Microsoft Edge, but you can use Chrome, you can use Safari, you can use Mozilla too, Mozilla Firefox, and basically whatever browser that's in your device. Now, there's two options to reach the Instagram website. The first one is to type in www.instagram.com and enter. Then it will take you to this page. The second option is to type in Instagram, like this. And you need to click this Instagram website, and basically it will take you to the same page. Now, we don't have an account yet, so we need to create an account by clicking this blue sign up button, and it will take you to this page where you will sign up. And there's two options too right now. The first one is log into with your Facebook account. So if you want to log in using your Facebook account, press this button and it will take you to this place, a page where you will need to log into your Facebook. You'll need to enter your Facebook account email and your Facebook account password and log in. And basically it will automatically create you an account. It will ask for your birthday, and you'll need to set up your account, like your account name and username, so like that. Let's get back to the mobile number and email option. You can use whether your mobile number or email, but please use your active email or active number, because you don't want to use your email which you have forgotten the password. You don't want to use the number you have given to other people or you have sold to other people, because it's the matter of security and privacy. Now, the difference between these two methods are the verification. if you use mobile number, it will send a verification code to your mobile number through message. But if you use email, it will send the verification code to your email. So you will need to check your inbox. Today I'm gonna use my email. Wait. Then I will need to type in my full name and my username. You can generate your username or you can make your own password. Please create a strong password. Do not use 1 2 3 4 5. And if you have finished, click this sign up button and you will need to enter your birthday date. So if you have finished, click this next button. And because I use email, it will send the code to my email. So I need to check my inbox. You will need to wait. There it is. And this is the code. You need to type in the code. Check it. And then if you have, press this next button. And after you confirm your code, it will have this save your login info, and there it is. That's your Instagram account. You can change your profile if you want. You can choose your profile image too. Yeah, like that. So that's how you created Instagram account using PC or laptop. Now I will show you how to create it using smartphone. So now I will show you how to create an Instagram account using your smartphone. So here I use an emulator to replicate how to create an Instagram account using a smartphone. So the first thing, if you haven't installed the app yet, visit the Play Store. And then search for the Instagram app. And then you will see this logo, which is on the top. Usually it's on the top. And then you'll need to click this button, install, and it will eventually install the app. And the process will begin, and you have to wait until it is installed 100%. Now if you have trouble to install the Instagram app, it could be that your device isn't compatible with the Instagram app, or it can be that your storage is too full that the Instagram can fit in your smartphone. So you will need to free up spaces. Like I said before, you need to free up at least 2 gigabytes. Now the installing is almost complete. Now it has been installed, and you can open the Instagram app in the Play Store, or you can search it in your phone. You will find it, and click this open button, and you will have this Instagram. And now we will create a new account. Press this, and then now I will use my phone number, and then if you have, or you can use your email too, click next, and it will send the confirmation code to your phone. Okay, just like that, and then click next. Now you will need to give your full name, fill in, I will type in my full name, and you will need to create a password which is need to be strong, just like when we did on the PC one. And you have option to sync with your contacts. Some of your contacts on your phone may be using their phone number to create an Instagram account too, so you can easily find them on the Instagram app and follow them. But I will continue without syncing contacts. And after that, you will need to enter your birthday by swiping this. I will enter my birthday, and then if you have, click next. And after this, you need to create a username. I will use this username the Instagram has created for me, and then if you have, click next. Now you will arrive at this page with which you can sign up immediately after creating your account. Click sign up. Now after that, you have your Instagram account. You can edit your bio, you can edit your username here, and you can explore too. You can post your story, your pictures, your videos, and basically you can follow your friends, your family, or maybe famous celebrities like this. Then that's how you create an Instagram account using PC, laptop, and smartphone. And Instagram is very useful to communicate with others, to explore new things, to learn new things, and then you can open a business too in Instagram, so it's really useful. But remember, you need to be above 12 years old to use this app. Thank you for watching.